What's up, guys and girls of YouTube? It's your boy Justin Omoe here with the video for y'all today. Today I am going to do one of the two microphone reviews that I have in the backlog. I'm so sorry. Starting with Samson. Now Samson, they hit me up probably a month ago, maybe no, 2 months ago. I'm so sorry, man. I'm so late. But this is the U9Q or no Q9U microphone. You can tell I did so much research. I had this box for so long and I didn't even open it or take a look at it. So let's go ahead and take a look at this, and yeah. So cut it with the box cutter. Oh, hold on. Let me give you all a better view. Let me show you the box real quick. Oh God. Well, maybe we shouldn't, but here's the microphone. This is the front. This is obviously what you'll see in the store. On the side, it got some cool art looking like a on the other side, we have some details, which I'll read for y'all real quick. If you can read it, woohoo. If not, I'm sorry. End address. Dynamic microphone with a cardioid polar pattern tailored for those deliver a clear professional broadcast sound. You could connect it to a computer. USB Type-C, it has 24-bit 96 kilohertz, that's sexy. Plug and play connectivity for Mac and Windows OS. We could test them both if you care. Connects to a mixer. You could use an XLR with this as well. Built for broadcast. I think y'all kind of said that before. Ideal for close-up vocals or narration. Oh, I'm gonna have fun with this one. And lastly, take control of your sound. It has bass, roll-off, mid-range presence, boost, and a mute switch for onboard sound adjustment. Both XLR and the USB type is gonna have that feature. And as you can see here, the microphone in the back and everything I said pretty much is there too. So let's go ahead and take off the top and I'll see what we got. I shouldn't have sniffed cardboard. Okay, we got something in here. We got foam. Ugh, okay, I shouldn't have sniffed that. Okay, I got. What the f, man? It feels like there's a little mosquito in here. Sorry about that. But here we are. Oh God. USB Type-C to a USB. And the USB Type-C to Type-C. Oh man, they killing it, man. They good. They are smart people. They know that people are still in the old life. So double whammy, that's a win. All right, and let's see what this big old, oh my goodness, this is the microphone itself. It has two pop filters, they say, but it even comes with a big old cone. Oh, this is a heavy thing. Booklet. Is there a sticker? No sticker. And then the last thing in here seems to be foam. It's like foam in there. But I want to see if there's a sticker in there. You never know. No secret, no Easter eggs. Okay, this foam looks like a little bit of a secondhand foam. Not gonna lie, was that a piece of nut? All right, well, back in there you go. All right, back to the story though. This is a big boy or girl. I haven't asked for his gender. There it is, a Samson. You can see with the S on my chest, and it got a nice thick boy hinge right there. And it feels like when you move it, you leave it, it's not gonna shake. It's not gonna loosen. I wonder if it will loosen one time or one day. No click, but you can hear something switching up in there. Here's switches on the bottom. It's smaller than I expected, and this kind of looks goofy, doesn't it? Hold on. Let me see if I could give you a better look. Maybe I should shine the light on it. Hold on. Alright, you can see it there? You could kind of see, yeah, there you go. You can see it there in that light especially. There is a dent over here on this microphone spot. It doesn't even look like this thing is in all the way. Could you see like the groove right here? And then like a big old up piece and then a groove here. Yeah, especially from the angle I'm looking at. It's a malfunction. I wonder if I could just slip that in. Okay, I'm able to push it in, but there is no snap sound. I'm not gonna work too hard on it before I break something and then they assume that I broke it. But yeah, you can see it's a little bit better now. It's not perfect. If I were the one who bought this and I saw something like that inaccurate, I would have felt some type of way. I ain't gonna front. This thing opens. I guess this is so you could clean the inside here. Whoa! There's a whole ISO booth in here. Is that foreshadowing a future video? But look at that. There's foam up here. There's foam around the mic, the grill, and there's even foam on the little capacitor thingamajiggy. I am not gonna touch anything in there, but it kind of looks like one of those what's it called, railgun beams. This feels like a plastic. I am not gonna try anything else on it before I break something. But you can hear that? Sounds like a button, so you could take it off and then tighten it if you have to, in some case, I guess. In any case, we see the XLR port, we have the Type-C, we have the flat or low cut off, low pass or high pass? I never remember those. We have a headphone jack, so that's when you're in USB mode. We have a flat or mid boost. Booster! Other things we could say is the Samson Q9U strip down here, and the fact that it's dynamic. We have the Spinnaman jigger. Yeah, it has a flat head there. Does not come with a converter piece, which is a win, because nobody really uses that. And if we do need a converter piece, we have an abundance already. So good move on them, especially for having two types of these cables. I wonder if this cable will work on my Wacom as a screen. Maybe I could give you a bonus at the end if this cable is high quality enough to display video as well. How about we do some tests with it, yeah?
Okay, so right off the bat, you can hear noise from the fan. I guess it's inevitable if you got the fan on. But this is how it sounds here, out in the open, which honestly is not that bad, especially if you're just doing a podcast. This is just my environment that I'm in. And I do have a soundproof room, which we'll be doing some tests in there as well. But right off the bat, here it is. You can see on my meter that we are around a healthy -9 or so. And if I were to raise my voice, we're getting around that 0 decibels. That's cool, right? Yo, hey, what's up? Cool. Now, the bad news is this is my headphones at 100%. Not only are my headphones at 100%, but so is my audio interface. So you can see here. Yo, hey, like anything less than all the way, like yo, what you could barely hear me. So that's one thing to keep in mind when you are using this. With that said, I am using the XLR port, and I will be testing the USB just now. But before we do that, how about I put this into a preamp and then run it through the audio interface? So I'll be giving you that test right now. Well, this is a bit better. Yeah. So the sound might be a little bit of the same, but check this out. I could raise up the input or the output even more. If I were to hit the mute, you can hear that noise in the background. That is pretty much the preamp and its little, tube and all that. Plate voltage normal, phase is not inverted. What if I hit that invert? Well, that did not work. And yeah, if I were to show you one more time. So this is how it's working now. I have the gain all the way up on the preamp. That way the dynamic stuff could actually capture better, I guess, in this sense. The output is here. It could be lowered, could be raised. And number 4 is the input gain on the audio interface, which you shouldn't really play with if you're using an XLR port like I am using. But for demonstration, I'll just show you. Yo. This, oh wait, wrong. Oh shit, I gotta recalibrate that now. Well, here it is. Yo. You can hear that we could get even louder and louder if we wish to. But we are safe at this level right here. Let's see, let me get a little bit higher. Yo, hey. So this is how I sound right here at -6 to -3 decibels when I get real high and get up there. Yeah. All right, and I'm back straight into the audio interface, and I just have a compressor here which I'll activate, and you can see that even with the input gain all the way at 100, yo, I could still get a compressed signal, and it's, you know, like right up in your face, so you can hear how it sounds, and yeah, it's like good or fulfilled. So let's go ahead and test the mid boost as well as the high pass. The thing that cut off the low frequencies. Yeah. Let's start with the mid boost. Yo, I'm gonna give you a note. You hear that up boost? Ooh. Mm. Mm. E. New. Okay. Well, you can see when I pop it on, you do get more of a, you know, presence. Let me put it on now so you can hear my voice does have more of a shine or a presence in it that pretty much says, hey, listen to me. So it's pretty much like a boost in its sense, like just a frequency boost, and not that bad of one if I do say so myself. The low cut though, let's see. You can hear this is where it's cut. One more test. Ooh. New. Yeah, so it does cut off frequencies. Ooh, so you can hear the lower end is cut out. And even with the lower end cut out, still got that vibration, and we can't escape it. I don't know how well you heard this. Just moving, that vibration is there. So if you are using one of these stand mics, just know that anything and everything that creates a little tap on the floor will make sound even with the cut on. You see that thump is around the 100 hertz. So just make sure that you have a proper microphone stand, or the one that elevates, I guess, as long as it could reduce the shock. That's one thing that really sucks, especially when you're a podcaster of sorts and you just want to express your opinions, like, yo, this is so annoying. Or what if you're on the computer searching for something? Let's see. It's a lot of low end that it captures. If you have a dynamic microphone like a Shure or something, and you have a stand like this, can you please let us know in the comment section below? Is it the same with that microphone? Because I don't have that microphone and I'm not trying to buy that microphone. How does this thing sound without the pop filter or the foam? Yo, how does this sound right now? Yo, how does this sound right now? How does it sound right now? How does it sound right now? It sounds different, I'm not gonna lie. Yow. Yow. I don't know, I feel like a little bit of higher frequencies is like taken away when you put it on there, but it still sounds good regardless. This is a microphone that captures your tonality. Okay guys, this is the USB Type-C to Type-C mode, and I do have to admit, sounds better. Hold on. I honestly like it more here than with the audio interface at this level, at this current level. So in order for you to adjust the levels, you have to go to the sound in the control panel for computer, the PC. Go into recordings, double click, go to listen, or no, not listen, levels, and we can adjust this if we want. So if we want this louder, yo, 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 hey, 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 you could definitely see the difference there. At this good level here, or this level here, is not even that bad. I love the way this sounds. Hold on, let me hit one more time. I love the way this sounds here more than it does with the XLR mode. With that said, though, I wonder if it will be the same thing with the USB rectangle, the original type USB to USB Type C, which I'm going to guess yes. I'm going to make a big guess and say yes, it's going to be the same thing. And here we are with the regular rectangle USB. I don't remember the names anymore. It's not that old, but to Type C. And here is the Type C port over there, which I'll leave in there for the test at the end. But here it is again with the USB, the other one. That sounds great as well. It pretty much sounds the same. I don't see an issue at all. Let me click sounds, and the level stays the same with, no matter what cable. I guess the information's in here, which is probably what it always is. I'm not even sure, but yeah. But I mean, I really don't have anything else to test with this other than putting it in that soundproof room. So I guess there is that buzzing again, but that is just the preamp what was it? Tube thing. That's just the way it is. It's not even that bad. It's not even all that bad. Not even bad at all. I don't know. Definitely a great mic though. It does pick up nice tone in your voice, especially if you want to make something like a podcast or just voiceovers for different type of things when it comes to, YouTube videos, anything like that. One thing I forgot to mention when I was doing all of these takes, it is in 44.1 kilohertz. I don't usually put it any higher. So yeah, I mean, you probably wouldn't even hear any higher than that. Probably 48 you could, but anything higher, future proofing. So, in conclusion, Samsung, they never take an L when it comes to their quality in terms of like the audio and stuff. I mean, we saw that little mishap here, but they do have great warranty service. I don't know, I just want to put that out. But yeah, the only negative points I could see was that one piece here, that one little crap. And I just now saw this, but what's up with that overlap? I don't know, it has nothing to do with the sound, but it's just visually annoying. I'm curious to know what you guys and girls are thinking about this product right here. Feel free to let me know. If it's on Amazon, link will be in the description. Anytime you click that, it'll help your boy out with like commissions or something. Thank you for watching. Thank you for thumbsing up, hitting subscribe to stick along with your boy. And yeah, it's your boy, Justin Omoe. And with all that said, peace. I'm out. I'm going to sleep.